Ever wondered how to keep your garden lush in arid conditions? The challenge lies in conserving water while maintaining a vibrant landscape. But imagine a thriving garden that needs minimal irrigation yet exudes beauty. Stay tuned as we explore strategies for a flourishing drought-tolerant garden. First, let's discover the world of drought-tolerant plants. From the statuesque agaves to fragrant lavender, these resilient beauties are perfectly adapted for arid conditions, offering both aesthetic appeal and endurance. Selecting the right plants is the first step towards a thriving, water-wise garden. Next, we delve into the secrets of soil management and mulching. The right soil composition is key to water retention, crucial for drought-tolerant plants. Mulching aids in conserving water, stifling weeds, and stabilizing soil temperature. With the right soil and mulching techniques, your garden can flourish even under the harshest sun. Now, let's explore efficient irrigation techniques. Opt for smart watering strategies like drip systems, delivering moisture directly to plant roots, or rainwater harvesting, a method that harnesses nature's own water supply. Efficient irrigation is the key to maintaining a lush garden in arid conditions. Finally, consider how to design your garden to maximize shade. Shade plays a critical role in reducing water needs and creating comfortable outdoor spaces. By incorporating pergolas, trellises, and strategically placed trees, you can shield your garden from the harsh sun. With thoughtful design, you can create a garden that is both water-wise and wonderfully abundant. Recap of our journey into drought-tolerant gardening. We've maneuvered through selecting resilient plants, mastering soil management and mulching, employing efficient irrigation techniques, and creating shade-rich environments. Join us in the next video as we continue to explore the world of sustainable gardening.